Good morning children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 7th standard. Subject English. Topic Healthy life. We all know the famous saying health is wealth, which means that health is the greatest asset for a human being, and as such wealth without good health is worthless. Good health brings us happiness, pleasure, and well-being. Now, let us recall what we have learnt about healthy life. What is a healthy life? Healthy life is one where a person has a strong body and mind that is free of disease. How can we make our body strong? The three important points we have to keep on our mind. First one, healthy food habits. Second one, physical activities. Third one, mental health. In previous session, we have learnt about this. How the people led a happy life and how the witches decided to spoil the health of people. In this session, we will learn the remaining part of the story. Already I told you children, it is a story of fiction. Fiction means stories based on imaginary, not real, people or events. Now learn glossary. Trap, a bad situation from which one cannot escape. Swamp, an area of soft wetland. Virus, an infective agent. Vaccine, a treatment which makes the body resist an infection. Now let me read the lesson. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. One day, a little boy found this bottle. Thinking it contained a nice new drink, he swallowed it fully. The germ-like witches took advantage of this situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits, and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger, and wait for them at home. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels or restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. He did not feel like walking, running, and playing with his friends. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. Before long, he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked. And the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. See here, after the big blast, what happened children? The explosion caused the witches to turn into tiny germs. Here tiny means small. And they trapped in liquid in a bottle lying in the wetland. Then what happened One day a little boy found this bottle and drank its contents. What he thought? The bottle contained a nice drink. That's why he drank it. Who were there in the bottle, children? Yes, the witches in the form of germs. They entered the boy's body. The witches took advantage of this, and then they did not harm the boy physically, but they began to change the likes and dislikes of the boy. Before drinking this potion, what was the boy doing? The boy was running, walking and playing with his friends. And then he wanted to eat fruits and vegetables. But now he did not feel like eating fruits and vegetables, and he only wanted pizza, burger, and he wasted his time by watching television and eating ice cream and chips. You know, children, junk food is not good for health. He did not go for any physical exercise and he became very lazy and he remained at home whole day. So he fell ill. The witches succeeded not only in affecting him but also others. Now the potion started its work. They had learnt to jump from one person to another like virus. Here virus means infective agent. These virus spreads one person to another person, causes disease. Already you know, children, about COVID-19. The whole world is suffering from this, no? And lakhs of people died because of this virus. Here, the virus turned the effect of potion into one of the worst diseases, that is, disease of wasting life. Here, wasting life means one who drinks this potion who would not want live long, and he did not want to do anything. Next, I'll read next passage. It was a long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. There were no vaccines or cough mixtures to get rid of them. The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful and happy life. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave the body as soon as they could, riding off on a sneeze. See here, Dr. Fit and Healthy, with the help of his microscope, found out the witches were causing this disease. There were no cough medicine or vaccines. Already you know, for COVID-19 also no medicine or no vaccine. Here also no cough medicine or vaccines to get rid of it. Here vaccine means a treatment which make the body resist an infection. To get rid of is a, here throw away, it is a phrasal verb. Phrasal verb means a phrase that combines a verb with preposition that functions as verb. whose meaning is different from the combined meanings of the individual word. Here, Dr. Fitton found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. What was the remedy? The remedy was not taking pills or injections, but make an effort to lead a healthy, joyful life. When a person became healthy, the witches left their body riding off on a sneeze. Here sneeze means to expel air from the mouth and the nose forcibly. From then on, the best remedy was neither pills nor injections, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits and vegetables and to do some exercise. Whoever came to see Dr. Fitton healthy and took his advice ended up totally well, being cured of the wasting life disease. So, doctor advised the people to consume fruits and vegetables and to do some exercise so that they could live happily as the people lived healthy in olden days. If you want to stay out of wasting life disease, you must follow healthy habits. You know children, nowadays COVID-19 spreads primarily from person to person. Protect yourself and others from COVID-19 by taking these simple precautions. First one, social distancing. Maintain a distance of 6 feet between yourself and others. Second one, stay at home. Third one, avoid touching your face. Fourth one, wash your hands frequently with soap for 20 seconds each time. Fifth one, wear face mask. Sixth one, avoid close contact with someone who is sick. I hope you have understood. Now, home assignment. First question, what happened to the witches after the explosion? What happened to the witches after the explosion? Second question, what did the boy do with the new drink? Second question, what did the boy do with the new drink? Third question, how did the boy change after drinking the potion? How did the boy change after drinking the potion? Fourth question, mention the worst thing that the witches learned to do. Mention the worst thing that the witches learned to do. Thank you children. I will see you in next session. Be safe. Stay at home.